Welcome to Researcher Box. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch.
We've created something wild. This thing draws everything in, moving silently, night and day, into the deepest blacks and brightest lights. Its eye, razor sharp. Its sound, deafening. Pretty. Dangerous.
Just today I purchased this product here in Copenhagen, Denmark. The product price around 30,000 Danish krona as Indian currency, 3,25,000 to 35,000 in between. So it's little expensive. The storage capacity of this product is 64GB RAM and 1TB hard drive. That's why the product is a little expensive. And this one is the capacity of M2 chip. I have already of MacBook Pro same configuration, but this one is a M1 and this one is a M2. The configuration little less. This one is a 16GB RAM and 512 RAM. That's why I am purchasing this one. It's a big storage and big power. We will see detailed demonstration in unboxing, and that one is a really new seal pack. Now we'll open and let's see which types of product we are receiving. So first of all, we open here. It's easy. Now magic is open here. It's very compact. Inside the box, we'll see a sign. They are providing some of the magic booklet here. Some of the sticker. This time they are providing black stickers. Last year they are providing white sticker, and that's it. Here the charging cable. You can use as a C-type charging cable. This is a connector, different types of charging cable, and this is an adapter I have already. So this is the adapter, the charging cable, and box is empty. Just inside the box, 3 products we are receiving. One is a charging adapter, charging cable as a C-type, and magnet related, and this are the accessories, and this is our product. Now we open like this. So here, screen protection, the old MacBook of the Danish keyboard, but this one is an English keyboard, and I am very happy about that. I am receiving this product here in Copenhagen, Denmark. So it's easy. Now we'll on like this. I think so battery is not available, but we can set up both of us together. So I have already in C-type. Here the charging socket is definitely different, the magnetic charging, but you can use this also of charging, like here, and now it's charged. Now we will see remaining setup of this Mac. Now I just simply charge, and now I on this one. For the new PC, no battery, you need to charge at least the PC. Keep going. So select the language. So I go with English. Region. So I select here Denmark. Continue. the specific keyboard customize setting. So I just simply remove the Danish, just only English, continue, ABC, continue, voice detection of UK, it's okay, continue, accessibility, not now, here the Wi-Fi, so I just simply add here my home Wi-Fi password, continue. Set up the fingerprint of which finger you want set up here with this key here. Press properly, okay, like your Android phone. Continue. So finally my system is ready. Look at this, the OK. So this is a simple tips and tricks to set up entire information as well as unboxing of MacBook Pro M2 chip. If you really like this video of unboxing MacBook Pro, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.